Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's videos, we will see how you can add checklist in task and project. So first of all, you have to click on task. As of now, I have created a demo task. Okay, here we will get an option to add a checklist. So we can directly click on add checklist. So as of now, you can see checklist 1 has been created. So this is a customizable. You can customize it according to the requirements. You can give them according to the date wise. For example, I will show you how we can manage it. We will give it a name according to the date. For example, you can see I have given a name as date. So now you can add the checklist. You can see I've given a name or demo checklist and I wanted to also add a document in it. So what you can do, you can directly click in the document section. You can upload from your computer or a drive, it's up to you. You just have to click on it and I'll be uploading a document to show you. So now you can see the document has been added over here. So the same way if you wanted to add a participant, observer, or if you wanted to mark as an important, so you can do it from here itself. And the same way we can create a multiple checklist from here itself. So this is how checklist will be created. And once the work has been done, you just have to click on this section. As of now, you can see one checklist has been completed out of two. So this is how checklist will be adding in the task and project, and this is how it works. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.